In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find movies on Google Drive. We'll start right from the Google homepage. Open your browser and go to google.com. In the top right corner, look for the grid icon. It's the Google Apps menu. Click it to open the list of Google services, then choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your files live. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you're searching the right library. Once you're in Drive, head to the search bar at the very top. This is the quickest way to narrow your files down to just videos. Click inside the search bar to activate it, then look for the small filter or funnel icon on the right edge of that bar. That opens advanced search options. In the search options, find the type setting and select videos. This tells Drive to show only video files. Confirm the filter, and Drive will refresh to display your video collection. At this point, you should see all the video files in your Drive, including any movies you've uploaded or that have been shared with you. If you prefer a visual layout, switch to Grid View using the icon near the top right. List View is better if you want to sort by name, owner, or last modified. You can also click a file once to preview it without downloading, which is handy for confirming you've found the right movie. There's another quick path to the same result using the filters that appear just below the search box. These are pill-shaped shortcuts that let you refine results without opening the full search panel. Click the type filter there, choose Videos, and your results will instantly update. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels faster. If you're looking for something specific, try combining the Videos filter with a keyword, like a title or part of a file name, right in the search bar. You can also adjust other filters to refine your results further, such as location if you keep items in Shared with Me or a shared drive, or owner if you want to see only files you own. Keep in mind you should only access and play content you have rights to view or that has been shared with you appropriately. If nothing appears, double-check that you're in the correct Google account, clear any extra filters, and make sure your files aren't hidden inside a different location. With these filters, finding your movies in Google Drive is quick, organized, and reliable.